All right. Good morning, good afternoon, good day, and good evening to some of you, regardless from where you're going to be watching this stream right here on YouTube. I remain humble, your Javan FX right here on YouTube, as always. All right, so today I am going to be talking about the Fibonacci, how we can use the Fibonacci to make, how to use the Fibonacci to be consistent in making pips, in making profit in the market. Okay, because I have made some few analysis right here on YouTube, and I have noticed that my videos actually don't actually have much views, and there are no subscribers, and there are not a lot of people that are even liking, not anybody, let me say, nobody is even liking the videos, but it's not a problem for me. So I was thinking maybe I can, maybe this is going to help. Okay, maybe it's going to help me. Maybe it's going to help some few people out there. All right. So today I want to talk about the Fibonacci because I know that the Fibonacci is part of what we use, what Forex traders all over the world, including especially professional traders all around the world, what they use to make pips, what they use to make money consistently in the financial market. All right, there's no right or wrong. It's not everybody that actually uses the Fibonacci, and they are still much consistent in making profit, making money in the financial market, specifically the Forex markets. Okay. So I'm going to be sharing my knowledge about the Fibonacci, right? How to trade the Fibonacci in the correct way. So I'm also going to be sharing right here, okay, a picture that I want us to look at, which is not mine. It's from my mentor, okay, but it was given to me. It is free for everybody. So I just want to share with you guys right here. And it is the rules about the Fibonacci, as you can see right here. All right. So it's all about the Fibonacci, the original Fibonacci. So we use the original Fibonacci to identify trend direction. Two, then we compare the trend direction from the larger time frame to the lower time frame. The last thing we need to identify in what zone are the Fibonacci on the larger time frame and the smaller time frame. Maybe it is rallying, it is in the retracement, maybe it is in an extension. We need to identify. And the rules for high probability trades, we should always enter in extensions and in the same direction. All other trades below, all other trades are low probability trades. And here is an example of the Fibonacci. So this picture you guys are looking at right now is from my mentor, all right? And how to use the 3 Fibonacci. So we are going to get to that probably in another video, but for now, let's get to talking about the original Fibonacci. First of all, how do we draw the Fibonacci, and what are the settings of the Fibonacci? So from what I've been taught, okay, which I want to share with you guys. All right, there are a lot of people out there that draw Fibonacci in different ways that work for them. But for me, the way I've been taught about the Fibonacci, which is the correct Fibonacci, is this, which I'm going to be sharing with you guys. So if we want to draw the Fibonacci, we start the Fibonacci because right here, this is the monthly time frame. So the Fibonacci has to be started from the highest high, all right? So in some of my videos, I talked about monthly resistance band area, all right? So this is the monthly resistance band area. So if we want to draw the Fibonacci, we must start from the monthly resistance band area, and we must start from the highest. So previously we have this market area already played out, all of this played out. So we are looking at right now the current market, which is from the monthly time frame perspective, right from here. So the market is going to go from here and all the way to the downside. But how can we make use of the Fibonacci, all right, to trade the markets and use it to our advantage? All right, let's begin. And I'm going to show you guys the settings of this Fibonacci, which is the real original Fibonacci. All right. So from here, this is a swing high. So this level is a swing low back in time. So we draw the Fibonacci. So quickly, let me go change. This is the original Fibonacci. So now I'm going to go to the settings. All right. Let's go to the settings. So for some of you guys that are going to be watching this video, you can pause the video to look at the settings. So this is the settings. So you can play with the colors, right? For the original Fibonacci, right? So there is an extension line of the left and the right. I decided to, because if I put the extension, it's going to be too messy of the chart. So I decided to take off this and this. All right, guys. So as you can see, these are the settings. So you guys want to check out the settings. And these are the original settings for the Fibonacci that I learned. Okay. So you can put the price if you want. You can put the level if you want. As you can see, this is it right here. But I decided to take my own off. All right. I decided to take my off. I use the price when it's necessary. Yes, I use it when it's necessary for me. So those are the settings right there. So you just pause the video, take a picture, write it down, and that's it. Okay. So back in time, this was the original Fibonacci, all right? And the Fibonacci right here was showing us the direction of markets, okay? As you can see, it's facing the downside, all right? So it's telling us that the market is going to go down, market is going to go down, the market is going to go down, all right? So by the time the market came all the way towards this level, after, so this was the A, okay, but let me quickly, okay, let's do like this and make it bigger. So this is the A of the original Fibonacci. So because the Fibonacci is A and B, so this is the A of the Fibonacci, and this is the B right here of the Fibonacci. And then we have the C right here, and then we have the extension D, which is going to go all the way down right here. So what happened? What happened? What happened? What happened to my B? Oh, sorry about that, guys. I think something happened. What is going on here? All right. C and D. What's going on? Where's the C? Okay, so A, B, C. So the extension is going to be, the D of the original Fibonacci. So it's a sequence, all right? Like have it here in the picture. Okay, it's a sequence, all right? So like I said, let's quickly touch this area. Things to remember: the higher time frame, the T stands for time and the F stands for frame. Higher time frame controls smaller time frame. The Fibonacci is stronger than the trend line. We're going to get to that. You want to buy or sell the C and take profit at the D extension, all right? So this is for like strategy, okay? So as you can see here, right here on the picture, so this is the A, B, C, and the extension D. So it's an extension, retracement, and another extension, all right? So I'm going to show an example right here in the chart. So as you can see right here, we have extension, we have retracement, and we have extension. That is the sequence of the Fibonacci, all right? So we have the A, and we have the B, and we have the C. So this area is the C. So this area is the B, and then we have the extension, which is here, all right? Now, why do we consider this place as the extension D, okay, of this Fibonacci? It's because when price came to this level, all right, so the market hits this area, okay, this red line, okay, of the Fibonacci, and rejected to the downside. You can see the wick rejected and closed body candle below that area. So at this point in time, since it is this area the market came to before it started selling, from here, okay, from here to here, it is red. So even if the market comes towards this level, okay, even if it's just for one pip, the market comes towards this level and did not touch that black line, okay, you can play with the color and decide to go all the way down back, it's going to go from red to red. That's the way the Fibonacci works. So it goes from colors to color, or better still, you can use the number, all right? You can use, some of you, if you want, you can use the levels. Like this is the level. So when the market comes towards the 0.14 area, okay, and started going down, 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 it crushed this green, all right? This is 0.618, this is 0.5, this is 0.382, all right? So once the market went all the way up of this level, came to 0.14 area, it started falling, 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 falling. And this area would have been the take profit target area. So red goes to red, okay? Depending on the color you colored it, okay? It becomes red goes to red. So if you would have bought, if you would have sold the market from this level back in time, take profit target is going to be right here. Red goes to red. That is the Fibonacci rules. That is the Fibonacci rules. Okay. And stop loss is going to go above the A. Okay. This is this area. And it is also in reverse. Okay. In this case, we are looking at a sell. Okay. We're looking at the market is selling. In another scenario, it may be that we want to use the Fibonacci to buy. So it's going to be that the Fibonacci is going to go on the A, okay? Always stop loss goes on the A. Stop loss, if you are trading with the Fibonacci, stop loss goes, in this case, above. If it's for buy, stop loss goes below, okay? So that is how we use the Fibonacci to trade the market. All right, so let's move on. So since the market did not touch this black, came here before it rejected to the downside, it's going to be from red to red. Okay, that is how, and that is the rules of the Fibonacci. All right, so it's just like this. All right, like this. Red goes to red. Okay, from red to red. As you can see, that is a very nice take profit target, and this is the monthly time frame back in time. Now, if we want to adjust the Fibonacci, how do we adjust the Fibonacci? Okay, this is the extension D. Why is this place the extension D? Why not here, the red area? Okay, it is this area because we need to find a low. Yes, we need to find a low. So at the time the market came towards this level, okay, the market hit the red area. The market did not stop from here. It did not create a low at this area. Okay, the market fell down to this level. It made a low. Okay, so this low, all right, was lower than this low right here. Okay, but still did not make a low, because what is a low? A low is a center candle. If you are new to my YouTube channel, okay, a low is a center candle with two candles by the right, two candles by the left with higher low value. Okay, a low is a center candle with two candles by the left, two candles by the right with a higher low value. All right, now this is not that kind of low, although it is a low, but it is not the kind of low I just talked about the definition of right now. So this is a low right now. This bullish candle here is a low because it has a center candle. This is a center candle, and it has two candles by the left, okay, and two candles by the right. That is what a high low value. All right, a high low value. That is a low. So we have to look for a low. So from a swing high to a swing low, or from a swing high to a swing low. So this became the D. Instead of here, this became the D extension. Now, for us to adjust the Fibonacci, we have to take another Fibonacci. All right, we take another Fibonacci, and we're going to draw it like this. And we have to put it on a high, which is a high among these two candles. Okay, it has to be on the high. So this is the highest. For us to be sure, we need to use the price, okay, the price note to confirm which is a high among these two. So this, it's a 1.07175, and this one is 1.0155. So this 75 is higher. All right, so the Fibonacci is going to start. So the new Fibonacci is going to be from what? From here. So it's going to be like this. Then our A start from here again. We have a new Fibonacci because this Fibonacci has already been accomplished. And right now, the D is going to go away, and we are going to bring the B to that level. So this becomes the A, and this becomes the B. So we are done with this Fibonacci. If you don't want the Fibonacci to be on your chart while you're done with it, the market is done with it, you can delete it if it's like too much noise in your chart. All right. Now we're going to go and go and go and go and look at the market, what is going on. And at this point in time, we can clearly see that where is the highest high? Where is the highest high? This is the highest high right here. Okay, because the C must be the highest high. So this is the highest high compared to this high, right? All right, so this is the area that the C of the Fibonacci is going to be, all right? So we bring the C to this level. Now, how do we confirm this is a high? Okay, like I said, the definition of a low also applies a definition of a high. What is a high? A high is a center candle with two candles by the left, two candles by the right, with what? With lower high value, right? Yes, lower high value. So this is a high right now. So the C of the Fibonacci is here. So at this point, we have found the C of this original Fibonacci. So where is going to be the D extension of this Fibonacci? So for us to find the D extension of this Fibonacci, we have to look at if this is the high. All right. Okay, let me make this easier. So if this is the high, okay, we can clearly see that this market, okay, back in time, went and it touches this line, right? So the market touches this line, this blue line. What does that mean? It means that it touches the Fibonacci blue area, which is 0.14, right? Am I right with the number? 0.214, okay? So the market, this candle touches that area, which means where will be the next take profit target, which simply means the next take profit target is going to be blue goes to blue, all right? So it's just going to be from here, okay? This is the level. So it's going to go like this, blue goes to blue, and is going to be right here. Like this. So this is going to be the take profit target, as you can see. As you guys can see right here, the market did what? The market fell from all this area, okay? The market fell from here, making lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, and finally, the market dropped down to this area like this. And this is how the Fibonacci works. Although, as you can see on the monthly time frame, it took a lot of time before the market eventually hit profit target, because it has to be blue goes to blue, and stop loss will also go to above that level. That is the Fibonacci rules. Stop loss must always come above, because we are looking to sell the market. And if it's we are buying, the stop loss must still go below the A. Okay, so since the market found the extension D, and like I said earlier, it has to be a low. So there is no low at this area here. Okay, there is no low here. As you can see, this was a line. Okay, so at this area, there's no low, right? So this was a low the market created right here. So we are going to draw the next extension. So the D extension is right here. All right, so we found the A, B, C, and D. And this was a beautiful market back in time for professional traders all around the world that already know how to trade the market using the Fibonacci. So this was a trend line break right at this junction. We can see how the market broke the trend line right here. The market broke the trend line, and what happened? The market started falling down massively, and this would have been a massive profit. And we also have a trend line at this junction too, you know, and this would have been a nice take profit target all the way from this level to this level. All right, so if you learn how to use and study how to use the Fibonacci properly, believe me guys, it's going to be a game changer in your trading, just like myself. So for some period of time, I've been contemplating of sharing this beautiful information to everybody, but I know for a fact that everybody likes to use the Fibonacci for trading. It takes time for the Fibonacci to accomplish, you know, the extension D. Okay, it takes a lot of time, but if you are a patient trader, if you are not a type of trader that allows his or her emotion to control them, okay, just be patient, take the trade and leave the market and let the market do its thing. You'll be surprised to see that the market eventually will go to your direction long term, right? So if this is the high, this C area here is the high, now we have to draw the next original Fibonacci. And this is how you adjust the Fibonacci, all right? So we're going to go from the D extension to the highest high, which is here, okay? And don't forget, guys, if you are putting your Fibonacci on the chart, make sure you are locking, okay? Lock it so you don't mistakenly shift the Fibonacci, all right? And right now on the AUD card, monthly chart, this is the original Fibonacci right now. Okay, so we are going to move the C away, and we're going to bring the A. So this becomes the A, and this becomes the B, and we're going to move the D away. Hopefully the D is going to be maybe somewhere here, like blue goes to blue. You can see the price already hits the blue area here. You can see right here, the market already hits, it already touched the blue right here, and now it's dropping to the downside. So if the market should actually fall down later on in the future, and it start falling, for example, if it started falling, this is going to be the profit target area here. Blue goes to blue, this area. Yes, so that is how it's going to be. Maybe the market is going to go up and touch the red and goes all the way down from red to red. I don't know. But for now, the extension right now, at least for now, from what I can see here right now, it is blue goes to blue because the market is reversing from the blue area here. So for me, it's going to drop and go to the blue area right here. So this is how I have been using the Fibonacci to trade for myself. And believe me, guys, the Fibonacci is an awesome indicator or awesome tool that we can use to make consistent profit in the market if we are a patient trader. And at this level on the monthly time frame, you can clearly see that the market already, okay, the market already broke the trend line because previously we have a short-term uptrend at this level, as you can see. So imagine you already know how to use the Fibonacci back in time. And when the market closed body candle right here, crushed this trend line, you would have started selling this market, okay? You would have started selling the market right here. And right now, you would have been in huge amounts of profits. And hopefully, if you are still targeting the blue area, then probably you would have managed part of your profit and you will still be holding on to some position to take profit target right here. And this is how you do it on the weekly. This is how you do it on the daily. This is how you do it on the 4-hour chart on to the 1-hour chart, okay? The Fibonacci is, 50-50 winning rates when it comes to from the 30 minutes to the 15-minute chart. It's a 50-50 winning rate. But from the 1 hour to the month to the daily, and again, if you have alignments, we're going to be talking about alignment in the nearest future. All right. So if you have alignment, it is 80 to 85% winning rate on the Fibonacci. And you can also learn that on the Fibonacci mastery. Okay. So this is just the regular Fibonacci that I'm showing to you guys. You can do this on your own at all given time. And the Fibonacci works on all currency pairs. But the Fibonacci does not work on a consolidation market. I repeat, this is one important information you guys want to take to heart today. Fibonacci does not work on consolidation. Consolidation. All right. It does not work. So any currency pair you want to trade the Fibonacci with, make sure you look at it very well. Make sure that the market is not in a consolidation on the higher time frame. And even if you have a consolidation on the smaller time frame, you cannot trade the Fibonacci with it. It's not going to work. Okay. Fibonacci works on a trending market. All right. So as you guys can see on the picture right here, okay, if the market is rallying, if it's consolidating, it's not going to work. But if it's in a retracement, you can use Fibonacci on a retracement. You can use Fibonacci on an extension. It's going to work perfectly. All right, guys. So if you want to draw your Fibonacci, another lesson, another important point you guys want to take to heart today is that if you want to start your Fibonacci, you must start your Fibonacci on the monthly or support band areas. Yes, that is where you start the Fibonacci from. Let's not forget that, okay? If we want to draw the Fibonacci, it has to be from the monthly resistance band or the monthly support band. Back in time, we would have started the Fibonacci from here because this is a monthly support band area. But in this case right now, okay, we start the Fibonacci at the resistance band area. So if we go to the weekly time frame, okay, if we go to the weekly time frame and we want to draw the Fibonacci on the weekly time frame, we have to start from where? From the monthly resistance band area right here. Okay. So that is how you draw the Fibonacci. So even if you're going on the 4-hour chart, you have to start from the monthly resistance band. In this case, because we are using the AUD card pair, we are starting the Fibonacci right here. All right, let's not forget that. Okay, very, very crucial, very, very important. All right, guys. Okay, so quickly, let me quickly take this one and we're going to end for today. So I'm going to be showing you how you guys can adjust the Fibonacci properly. Okay. So this is the original Fibonacci, starting the original Fibonacci right here. So this is the highest high. So we're going to look for a low. Here is a low. Okay. Here is a low. And the market from here went down, did not touch the green because this area, all right, this area, the market touched the green area here, but did not touch the green all the way down here. All right, good. And the market went all the way up back right here. So at this level, what happened? The market got to the red area. So this is red, okay? We're going to change the color. Let me close. This is the monthly resistance area. Let's not forget. Just decide to change so it doesn't interfere. Color out, okay? So we can see that the market went to touch the red area, this line, all right? And this line is already above this Fibonacci 0.14 area above it right here. So that is where the price went to. So at this junction, where would price, where would be the D extension D? So this is the A, the C is the B, okay, right here, and this is the C. So at this point, where is going to be the D extension D of the Fibonacci? It's going to be red. Red, okay, red goes to red right here. Now you might ask me, but back in time, the market from here went all the way and hit the red line of the Fibonacci. Does that mean it did not count? Yes, you can see even from here, the market hit the red line. Okay. Yes, that did not count. Why? Because the market reversed from here. So since the market reversed from here within this area, let's say from this level, even if from 1 pip all the way from this level, as long as it did not touch the blue area of the Fibonacci, which is 0.214, as long as the market did not touch that blue line, even if for 1 pip, it's going to be green goes to green. All right. But the market did not touch the blue. And when the market was falling from here, the market did not get to the green line or the green area, which is 1.618. And the market reverses to the upside and touch the red. Now, at that point in time, what happened? Did the market fall down to touch the red again? Yes, it did right here. You can clearly see it. The market fall all the way from here, started selling, 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 and it touched the red line. What does that mean? It means it has accomplished its mission. Okay, it means it has accomplished its mission. All right, that is the extension D area. Okay, But at this junction, there is no low, okay? There is no low right here. So we are going to go all the way down to look for a low. So right here, we have a low, okay? We have a low right here. So this is a center candle, okay, that has two candles by the right, two candles by the left. That is what? That is a higher low value, okay, right here. So you can see. So we're going to start. So the D extension is right here. All right. Then we're going to draw the new Fibonacci, and it's going to go just like this. Right. And we are going to change the sequence. The A is going to go here. The C is going to stay here. And the B is going to come here. And the D is going to go somewhere here. And this is how we adjust the Fibonacci, just like I did on the monthly time frame. It's the same thing we're going to do on the weekly. It's the same thing we're going to do on the daily and the 4 hours and the 1 hour and so on. All right. Now, where is the C? Right here. So the C has to be the highest high. Okay. So I'm going to take this line off. So the C has to be what? It has to be the highest high. Okay. A, B, right here. It has to be the highest high. Now, when the market came towards this level, you can see it is the green area. Let me use the vertical line, the horizontal line. Am I correct to the English? Let me see. Yes, horizontal line. Okay. This market did not come to touch the blue. It stays in between the blue and the green area. What does that mean? So if this is the highest point, okay, which simply means the market will have to go from green to green, right? Now, let's push further and see if that's happened. Let's push, and let's keep pushing. And let's push. Yes, the market came all the way from here, did not go down to the green level. It went up, and made a new high. So this is the real high. Okay. So let's change the color to green. All right. So this is the highest high. It has to be the highest high. Okay. The highest high. This is a high, but the market did not go all the way from this area all the way down to touch the extension D, which is this green level. The market did not move like that. Instead, the market decided to go all the way up to make a new high. So that new high becomes the C, okay, the C. And the market started falling down at that level. Instantly, it fell down immediately to touch the green area, which is the D extension, okay? And we are just going to repeat the same. So at this point in time, we are going to take a vertical line and just put it so as to identify where is the low. So this was a candle that touched this doji candle here was a candle that touched the green, right? But there is no low right here. So where is the low? The low is down here. So what do we need to do? We have to draw our Fibonacci again. So at the point, the D extension is right here. So we have the A, B, C, and the D extension of the original Fibonacci. And my friends all over the world, this is how we just go about the Fibonacci. It is not a very difficult something to learn. It's very easy. It takes time to understand it, and it's easy to implement once you know it. And this is the original Fibonacci right now. Okay, now this is the blue area. The market touched the blue area. So if the market is going to fall long term at this level, it's going to be blue goes to blue, just like the monthly, okay, the monthly chart. So it's going to be the same area too. Remember, I already closed the monthly Fibonacci. This is the weekly Fibonacci. So it's just like they are doing the same thing. All right. And this is how the Fibonacci work. And as you can see here too, trend line was terminated back in time right here. And this was a nice and beautiful sell all the way to this level right now. And this is what you're going to do on all currency pairs, all time frames if you want. And let's not forget, Fibonacci does not work on consolidation. All right. Okay, so this is what I want to share with you guys today about the Fibonacci. Hopefully you get to understand the information I shared right here. If not, please watch the video again and again and again and again so as for you to be able to get the message clearer, okay? And try to implement this on your chart and try and see how you can trade with the Fibonacci. Maybe it's going to work for you, maybe it's not going to work for you. You can trade something else. All right, thank you very much. I appreciate you guys. If you like what you just watched, please give me a thumbs up. I would really appreciate. Like my videos to support my uh my streams so I can share more and more and more to everybody that likes to trade the financial market, specifically the forex market. I really appreciate. Although I'll be sharing more and more and more in the nearest days to come. Okay. For now, stay tuned till next time where I will be sharing more of my Fibonacci lessons right here on YouTube. You take care and enjoy the rest of your day. For now, it is bye-bye from me.